Hello, so today's lesson will be Advanced Enemies, wherein I upgrade my enemies, the stupid enemies, into more interactive one. Okay, let's open the game maker. So you see recent files and how you say it right. So save as lesson 9. Lesson 9, which means um teach how to make how to make enemy move. Okay, as you can see in this game, you move with the speed of 5 and stand there and wait for their death. That's very unfair. So we're going to make that move. So create alarm. We should use the step. Move towards point. This move towards point is very important. So let's use object player net x, the x location of the object player and the y location of the object player, and speed into um, let's just say there are only 2.5 speed, half of your speed, so that you can run away from them. Let's do that. Let's see. Oh my god, they move. This is the glitch. They go together. If you circle them out, they go circles and transform into one object. Now that's very unusual. So we are going to teach you I'm going to teach you a better way to move towards point. It's called, delete that, it's this one, step avoiding, which means they will avoid all instances that's on the field while going to the object location. let I'll let you see. Okay, object player that x. This is very important and a very good way to make potential moves. Let's say 2.5 here. Now object player x, object player y, all instances. Okay, now look at this. Okay, they go towards me, but as you can see now, they are also avoiding themselves. They're not combining anymore. They're like bubbles. Yeah, it's much easier to kill them now. And there you go. The enemy is now moving. So I'll now teach enemy specifications. Let's say we will create, what if we create an object in here? What it will do is they will follow you even if you don't see them. So what this lesson says is we were going to make advanced enemies, which means when the player is too I mean has too much distance, too far from the enemies, they will not move here. So here it is. Let's step change that into make variable, test variable if distance underscore to underscore object, and open parenthesis, type their object player, which means if the distance to object player is smaller than 300, let's say 300 pixels, it will follow you. There you go. So let's do that. Save the game, which means here if you get too far from them, as you can see, they are not moving but they are shooting you. So we're gonna make that too. It's like Armageddon. Okay, let's exit that, and which means this alarm will also have these things, which means when the it will set the alarm again into 80. But if the distance to object is too far, it will not create an object bullet. As you can see, we'll play the game and I go too far. Only these two should shoot. As you can see, they only shoot, the only two. But if you get there and you can run away from them, really, they will stop. There, there, they will stop, but they will chase you again when they see you again. They look more interactive now. Oh no, oh no. There, and you can see them. Then you see them, they will move again, and you just kill them. There you go. So I make them specifications. Another specification, that is the object. Okay, there's no more specifications. It's more a GUI, more interactive AI object. So just save that, and I will say that advanced enemy I already taught you. Okay, and save that. That's all for this topic. That's all for today. Thank you for listening. Please subscribe if you want. And goodbye.